Dialogue 1. Arriving at the restaurant. Welcome to Happy Restaurant. How many people? Wan Ying Guanglin Wan La Kanting. Ching Wen Jewe. Just one. Yewe. Come this way, please. Jiapian Ching, please have a seat. Your waiter will be here. Chingzua for Wo Yuan Mashanglai. Thank you, Sheshe. Dialogue 2. Ordering food. Hello, are you ready to order food? Ni hao ninyaw jangkan ma. Yes, please, sure ta. What would you like to order? Ni yao jan shan mani. I would like to order a plate of kung bao chicken, a bowl of rice, and a glass of orange juice. Wayaw yipan, gung pao jiteng. Yiwan mi fan. Hayaw. Yipei ginger. Would you like anything else? Biti hayaw ma. No thanks, that's all. Puyaw la, she jiu jashe. Thank you. Okay. How ta? Dialogue 3. Paying the bill. Excuse me, miss. I'm ready to pay the bill. For Wo Yuan, my tan. Cash or credit card? Ninsher Shenzhen. Haisher Shuaka. Cash please, Shenzhen. That will be 63 yuan. Liu Shersan Kwai. Here you are, Gaini. Here is your change and your receipt. Jasher Ninta, Lingchan, Hi Xiao Piao. Please come again. Wanying Xia Se Zailai. Dialogue 3. Ordering coffee. Welcome. What would you like to drink? Wanying Guanglin Nishang Hijan Shanma. I would like a latte and a mocha. Latte without milk or sugar. Washang na yipei nate cafe. Hi mocha cafe. Nate puyaw. Huatang. Nate puyaw haisher watang. Okay, hauta. Your total comes to 53 yuan. Is it for here or to go? Junggung Shi Washer San Yuan. Zaitali Hi. Haisher Taiswa. For here, please. Huawei Zaitali Hi. Here is your receipt. Okay, here is your receipt. How Jasher Ninta Soju. Please wait. Wait for your waiter. Please wait. Your waiter will serve to you later. Wanying Hui pa cafe. Song tao ninta. Chuzi Xiang. Okay. Thank you. Hauta Shishini.